Have you heard the saying, the riches are in the niches? Well, it's 100% true, especially when you're starting a brand new business. You see, Amazon may sell all different products to all different types of people, but they started out selling books online. That's right. In a time when there were no businesses selling books online, they went into a niche, a tiny one. That's because they were small and couldn't compete with the general store like a Walmart or Target. So they started with their small niche and grew into one of the largest companies in the world. So let me show you what happens when you niche down. The more you niche down, the easier it is to differentiate yourself and stand out. I like to think of it like this. The smaller the niche, the bigger your voice. You can make a large impact in a small niche because there aren't a bunch of big sharks swimming around crowding the waters. So the question is, how do you niche down? Here are a couple of different ways to do it. First, instead of just selling t-shirts in the dog niche, think about different breeds of dogs. Maybe you just sell t-shirts to fans of German Shepherds or Bulldogs. Here's another example. Instead of selling fitness gear, what if you went a little deeper and focused on one type of fitness, such as bodybuilding or yoga? Another great way to niche down is to combine niches together, essentially creating a brand new niche. For example, you sell t-shirts for runners who love to run with their dog. Now you've niched down and created a niche that very few businesses are serving. Pretty cool, right? The final thing I want to let you know about finding your niche is that I believe you should pick something you're passionate about. Don't go into a niche for the money. Make sure it's something you enjoy and will get you out of bed in the morning. You want to wake up excited and energized to work on your business. All right, get out there and pick your niche, and I'll see you in the next lesson.